Join us this week as we check out the famous surfers' paradise. Grab a coffee and strap in for an exciting episode. Today we're in sunny surfers' paradise. Our first stop is at the iconic Hard Rock Cafe and the giant guitar. Next stop is exciting Cavill Avenue, the heartbeat of surfers' paradise. Finally, we make our way over to Surfers' Paradise Beach, where we enjoy the waves crashing at our feet. So grab a coffee, sit back, relax and enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Howdy guys, we're in Surfers' Paradise and there you go, there is a giant guitar and it's a Hard Rock Cafe naturally.
Yeah.
So we've been to one of those Hard Rock Cafes I think a few times.
Yeah,
they serve good food actually.
Yeah.
So we're very happy this is our meal, and they also sell obviously t-shirts and stuff like that. Yeah. There's all sorts of things happening in here. We just witnessed like police
Arresting somebody
in Westpac Bank.
Yeah,
That's really interesting.
sort of,
I don't know what it's all about.
No, I don't know what it's all about, but it's definitely happening.
Yeah, it's all happening here.
Yeah, it's all happening.
So it's very nice and warm. You feel like you're on holidays because everyone just chilled and wearing shorts and t-shirts.
Everybody's on the vibe.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we'll keep you updated as we go along.
Bye bye. Hi guys, we're back. We're at famous Cavill Avenue.
Surfers' Paradise.
Surfers' Paradise. So it's a nice little street here. And you've got shops obviously on both sides. And you've got a nice place here. Well, I can spot Baskin Robbins, one of our favourites.
Yeah, it looks pretty good to me.
Yeah. And Krispy Kreme donuts.
Yeah.
Another one. Yeah. So we've got shops. We just went actually to one of the souvenir shops. It's really, really cool shop actually. So yeah. Very cool, buzzing place.
Yeah, we'll just keep walking along and keep filming sights.
Yeah, and then we'll see you at the beach at the end.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Alrighty guys, we're at Cavill Mall.
Yeah.
So we are very, very close to the beach.
Yeah.
It's always a nice pedestrian zone area. People just walking around and having snacks and stuff. So it smells really nice actually.
Oh yeah.
Lots of nice food
I can smell kebabs, I can smell all sorts of stuff.
Kebab's one of our favourites too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's got there.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Yeah. It's nice palm trees here.
Oh yeah.
Just beautiful.
Just gorgeous vibes altogether.
Yeah. You just feel like you're on holidays.
Yeah, yeah. You really feel that holiday vibe.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, definitely. It's warm and relaxing.
Yeah.
Just beautiful. So yeah, people are all over the place actually because
Yeah, it's still pretty busy.
Yeah, it's pretty busy. So it's Wednesday night. It's 5 o'clock or something. It's not too late yet, so I'm gonna walk and keep filming and see you again soon. Bye. We're just walking all the way to the beach because it's like really, really close. Oh, it's a cat. There's a cat.
Cavill Avenue. Cavill Mall.
Yeah. It's really cute here.
Oh yeah. It's as I remember it all those years ago.
Yeah. So it would be nice actually to come for
Yeah.
No, we didn't realise, like, we didn't know the weather was going to be so bad, like, first couple of days.
Yeah, that was terrible, but at least now it's the famous Queensland weather is out.
Because it would be nice to come here, like, another day as well.
Yeah.
And just have dinner or something like that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So it's Starbucks here, cafes here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very nice place when we can come dinner for a date.
Dates.
Just chill.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, lots of families here, obviously.
Families, family friendly.
Yeah. So really good. Yeah, so soon we're gonna reach the famous sign, Surfers Paradise.
Yeah.
And obviously it's a great place to come as kids as well because it's got heaps of things for kids to do.
Yeah, it's very family friendly.
Parks.
Theme parks, family friendly.
Yeah, it's heaps of theme parks which are really popular.
Yeah.
And kids love them.
Yeah.
So hence like it's heaps of families.
Yeah. Oh, there's a hat shop there. But we'll just stop off here for a sec.
Yeah, and actually looking for a cowboy hat, but
Yeah.
I'll see if we can find one.
Yeah. Wow, the sun here is very dramatic.
Yeah. Wow, it's very, very bright.
It's very bright.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Alrighty, we'll see you shortly. Bye. Howdy guys, here we are. It's famous Surfers Paradise sign behind me, and we're finally at the beach. We made it great. So yeah, it's just gonna be a nice walk along the beach, and we're just gonna go enjoy the weather, and see you soon. Cheers.
Walla Willa.
Just waves.
Yeah. This wave's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Feels like your feet are being dragged from underneath you.
I know, it feels so weird.
Yeah.
Gotta keep balance. It's nice waves actually.
Yeah,
Really
yeah.
nice for surfing and stuff. I don't know if there's surf actually in here. Yeah, there's surf in here.
They sue.
Yeah.
That's why it's called Surfers Paradise.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
yeah. Oh yeah, I can see some people actually
Yeah.
surfing here. Just a bit far. Yeah, it's nice waves. Right, not too strong. Yeah, so it's really beautiful. Yeah, so we're gonna just walk around and enjoy warm weather
Oh, yeah.
and sunshine.
It's magical.
Yeah, it is. It's very relaxing, and the sound of waves.
Yeah.
That's yours.
It's quite a vibe.
Yeah, it's just very relaxing and tranquil. Yeah. Very, very nice. Highly recommend Surfers Paradise.
Highly recommend.
it's just awesome lights there. And it's simply stunning. We just thought we'll just also film this time of night because you can see how beautiful it looks. Maybe we're more beautiful than in the afternoon.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah. No more brilliant sun, it's just nice and fresh and chilled. Bye-bye. Howdy guys. So here you can see the street with the lights. It looks just super cute with the lights and the trees.
That's what Cavill Avenue is all about, I guess.
It looks very Christmassy, but they love lights all around the year. It doesn't have to be Christmas. Yeah, so we're just walking back to our car and we'll be on our way back to the hotel for dinner. See you there. Howdy guys, we're just on our way back to the car and we thought we would stop here. It's just beautiful little shopping mall there and we just love this sort of things. I think it looks really cute. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're very close to the car. And see you soon. Bye bye. Good evening guys. Now it's nearly 8 p.m. and we finally made it. This beautiful restaurant in Palazzo Versace,
La Barocca.
which is called La Barocca. Yeah. It's wonderfully set up and I like especially also country, like this beautiful Versace logo.
Just Versace, but yeah, it's good. Yeah, they can see, they can see, yeah, they can see.
Yeah, it's just so beautiful and stylish.
Yeah.
Yeah, big fan.
Big fan.
Yeah, so we just ordered. Yeah, we have a gnocchi, margarita.
Oh, we'll show you the food when it comes in.
Yeah,
Right.
let me show you. Yeah, and it's really nice. It's going to be a wonderful evening ahead. We'll see you soon. Howdy guys, we've just been served with our food. So I'm having gnocchi carbonara. So this is it. And we're just having margarita. So the food was actually served really quickly. I think we only had to wait probably 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really quick.
So it's pretty handy.
So yeah, that was good. And we were also served with little bread with butter and olive oil. That was really nice as well. Yeah, so we're going to enjoy our meal. See you soon. Guys, we just finished our meal at the restaurant at Palazzo Versace,
Yeah.
and unfortunately this is our last night in this gorgeous hotel.
Yeah, we're having cappuccinos and lattes.
So yeah, I'm having my favorite latte.
You didn't put it in the picture.
Cappuccino.
You didn't say.
No, it didn't make it. I'm just for it. I don't want to spill it. Yeah, so everything has been fantastic in this hotel. The staff has been really attentive
Yeah.
and answered basically all our requests.
It's European standard. European 5-star standard.
Yeah. So yeah, we were really happy with everything here. So we've done a bit today actually. We went to the pool, and we went
Beach.
to the beach, then we went to
Surfers Paradise.
explore Gold Coast City and Surfers Paradise. Yeah, it was lots of fun. But it's unfortunate that our holiday's coming to an end.
Everything's got to come to an end. All good things come to an
Everything
end.
comes to an end. So yeah, tomorrow we're flying back to Melbourne in the morning. And hopefully we'll be back here one day. I would like to stay again in Palazzo Versace. Really loved it.
Yeah, definitely worth staying.
Yeah, definitely highly recommend, guys.
This is the place to be. If you want to come to Gold Coast,
Yeah,
Palazzo Versace is the only address in town.
exactly. Yeah, so it's been a fun adventure, and we have to say goodbye. And we are off. We're off packing our suitcases soon. Good night, guys, and see you soon. Hi guys! Welcome to Newland Beach Winery.